Hey, hi. So we here at Riata Austin, we had a very good tournament that got concluded today. We had finals, men's singles finals. It was very good, intense game between Vishnu and Raghu. So it was a tough game. So all these 40 days or so, we had a fun. So we had a fun, entertaining games. It's a kind of unification of people. We have yeah. So we have people, contestants participating actively in tournament. Such an interesting tournament we had here at Austin Theatre. Yeah, looking forward for next season. We'll meet again.
Thank you, Sai. Hello. What do you want to say?
I don't know what to say.
Okay, next.
We'll call your project by hi. It was a very nice experience umpiring with Prateek.
I can't see Pratik. Can you call him?
Prateek is playing as usual. After the tournament, we'll see him play.
कुछ बोलिए tournament के
दो
बारे में.
शब्द.
Yes.
Thanks to you, your husband, and every other person in the managing team.
It's a team effort.
You guys did a great job. Thanks to everyone who played against me, who let me win the doubles final. And I'm happy that I lost to the winner of the singles game. So that I can proudly say I lost to the winner. Other than that, everything was great.
Sorry guys, I'm interrupting.
No comments.
The matches were so good. The matches were really good. I love the tournament. This is my first time of playing in the tournament, but still I loved it. But yeah, that was good.
No comments. Thank you.
No comment. You
Congratulations to Vishnu and Raghu. But still, Vishnu for organizing such great tournament. Raghu, of course, the winner.
Not only Vishnu, even Sapna, thanks for it. It was really good. We loved
I
the
will practice for the next tournament. And,
You're the best, Sapna.
कुछ तो
I
बोलना
want to
पड़ेगा.
congratulate to Raghu and Vishnu and thank you so much Vishnu for organizing this event. Thank you.
खड़े रह के interrupt.
Reference को सच कुछ
Okay.
बोल
Oh, you are the referee. How was the experience?
Experience was good with refereeing with Priya and there is one more Farji referee like who was entering.
Raghu champion को entry.
winner interview, please.
Congratulations to the all gold winners, gold medal winners and silver medal winners.
What about bronze?
Bronze. There is no bronze medal in this tournament. Very thankful to play in this. There is no bronze medal.
So congratulations Raghu garu.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఎలా ఉంది tournament?
టోర్నమెంట్ చాలా బాగుంది. అసలు ఇంత మంచిగా ఆర్గనైజేషన్ మీకు విష్ణుకి వెళ్తుంది క్రెడిట్ మొత్తం.
See, it's a teamwork.
సార్ టీం వర్క్ అనే కాదు, మొత్తం షెడ్యూలింగ్ అంతా చాలా 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 హార్డ్ వర్క్. ఇంత నోట్ చేసుకుని స్కోర్స్ నోట్ చేసుకుని చేయటం ఇదంతా ఐ మీన్ వీ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ పేషెన్స్ ఫర్ దట్.
Congratulations. Hi Shita.
Hey, hi everyone.
So we are the best players in the world.
You are the best friend.
So I have got the diamond medal. And what did you get? Platinum medal.
Welcome to Riata TT Championship, and this is most amazing moment of the year in
And we will be
Riata.
hosting Riata Premier League RPL in a few months.
And thank you so much, Vishnu, Sapna, and all the coordinators for this lovely
umpires
match.
as well.
Umpires as well, and all the coordinators. We all love
Thank you.